Dear students, in this video we are going to see exercise 10.4 question number 22. Find the derivative with tan inverse of sin x by 1 plus cos x with respect to tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x. So this problem comes under the derivative of one function with respect to the other function. So let us take the first function as u and the second function as v. So we'll try to simplify this and then we'll find out du by dx. So u is equal to tan inverse of sin x. So this is like sin a. So what is the formula for sin a? Sin a formula is 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So this is the formula for sin a formula. Okay. So if it is sin 2a, if it is sin 2a means then 2 sin a cos a. But here it was like sin x. So the formula for sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 whole divided by, now 1 plus cos x. The formula for 1 plus cos x is, I'll write it here, 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. So this is the formula for 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x formula. So now let's substitute here. 2 cos square x by 2. Now let's cancel 2 and 2 and one cos term gets cancelled. So u is equal to tan inverse of, now as we see here, sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. So which is nothing but tan x by 2. So we know the properties of tan inverse. Tan inverse of tan x is nothing but x. So here tan inverse of tan x by 2 can be written as u is nothing but x by 2. Now this particular term is easy for us to differentiate rather than this. Now let's differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x. So you'll get du by dx is equal to, x derivative is 1. So it's nothing but 1 by 2. The derivative of x by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. So this is du by dx term. Next, now coming to this v is equal to tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x. Now let us try to simplify even this particular term and then we'll do dv by dx. Now here to simplify, tan inverse of cos x. So we know cos formula. Cos x is nothing but sin 90 minus x, 90 plus x, also we can write it. We have seen this in trigonometry. Sin 90 plus theta is nothing but cos theta. Okay, this one formula. And here in place of sin x, so sin x, how will you get sin x? If you want to write it with the same angle, cos 90 plus x, which is nothing but minus sin x, so put minus here. Okay, this is nothing but minus sin x. So we are going to use these two formulae for the second case. Now see here, cos x can be written as sin 90 plus x. So sin 90 can be written as pi by 2 also. Pi by 2 plus x whole divided by 1 sin x. Sin x can be written as minus cos 90 plus x. So minus cos 90 plus x. We are trying to get the same angle. Okay. We are trying to get same 90 plus x, 90 plus x. But in cos you will get like minus. Now all this formula we have seen in third chapter trigonometry. Now here again we are going to apply the same formula what we have seen here. Sin a means 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So this is like sin a. So consider this particular term as a. Let this be a. So if this is a, then what you'll get according to this formula? Tan inverse of sin pi by 2 plus x. So the whole term, since we are considered as a, so we'll apply this formula. So you'll get 2 sin a by 2. A by 2 means pi by 2 plus x whole by 2. And then cos a by 2. A by 2 means again it is nothing but pi by 2 plus x whole divided by 2. Divided by, now here we have 1 minus cos x. Now 1 minus cos x formula. 1 minus cos x is nothing but 2 sine square x by 2. So 2 sine square x by 2. What is x here? Pi by 2 plus x whole divided by 2. I'll write even that formula also. The formula which I have used for this 1 minus cos x. So 1 minus cos x is nothing but 2 sine square x by 2. This is the other formula that we have seen. Okay, so all these are the formula that we have used throughout for the V term. All these three formulae. In place of cos x, I have applied sin 90 plus x. In place of sin x, I have applied minus cos 90 plus x. And here 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sine square x by 2. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. See, sine term, sine pi by 2 plus x whole divided by 2, sine square pi by 2 plus x whole divided by 2. Clearly, one sine term we can cancel. So, cancel one sine term. And now, what we have here? Cos pi by 2 plus x whole by 2, sine pi by 2 plus x whole by 2. So, same angle. So, since it is like cos by sine, I can write it as cot. So, V is equal to tan inverse of cot, and inside what is the other term? Inside we have pi by 2 plus x whole by 2. Okay, cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta. So pi by 2 plus x whole divided by 2. Now in the next step, V is equal to tan inverse of, now we'll try to simplify this. This can be written as pi by 2 by 2 means which is nothing but pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now since here we have tan, we'll try to get this cot also in terms of tan. So how can I write this? Cot theta. I'll write the formula. Tan cot theta can be written as tan 90 minus theta, 90 degrees minus theta. So this is the cot theta formula. Okay, so now in place of V is equal to tan inverse of cot theta. So the whole term, this whole term, it's like theta here. So, okay, so with this we can write it as tan 90 minus, what is 90? Pi by 2 minus theta. Theta means this is called theta. So since it is minus, we will multiply these two values by minus. So you'll get minus pi by 4 minus x by 2. So V is equal to tan inverse of tan, and here 90 minus pi by 4, 90 minus 45 is nothing but 45 minus x by 2, you can write it as it is. So clearly it is in the form of tan inverse of tan x. So tan inverse of tan x is nothing but x. So you'll get pi by 4 minus x by 2. So now if I differentiate this with respect to x, we can write dv by dx is equal to, anyway pi by 4, a derivative of pi by 4 constant, right? So the derivative of that will become 0, minus x by 2, derivative of minus x by 2 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is nothing but your dv by dx. Now finally we have to find du by dv. Okay, du by dv, this is what that we have to find, because we have considered the first one as u, the second one as v. So they asked to find out derivative of the first term with respect to the second term. So we have to find du by dv. But already we found du by dx whole divided by dv by dx. So dv by dx is here and du by dx is here. So du by dx is 1 by 2. Okay, so write down that 1 by 2 whole divided by dv by dx is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So clearly 2 gets cancelled. So the answer is minus 1. So therefore du by dv, which is nothing but minus 1. So this is your final answer for this question number 22. Thank you children.